Hey friends, if you wish to fix COMCTL32.OCX file missing error on your car system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be an SFC scan, obviously, because the file is missing. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this does not help, then the next one is that if this file is associated with a certain application, then you will have to reinstall the application. For the sake of this example, let me assume that the application is ShareX. So we'll go to app settings, scroll down. If you have uninstalled, then uninstall that application completely. And now we'll install it from the Microsoft Store because we can be sure that that has the best patch file. Okay, now we'll go to Microsoft Store, type ShareX and hit enter. Go to ShareX, click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.